Hi folks, Tim with Narhi Auctions. Hey, this is I believe it's an 06 John Deere 700J LGP. This is a nice dozer. The 5,125 hours, I believe, is what we said on this machine. It's got probably 1,500 hours left on the tracks. It's got a little wear on them, but kind of matches the machine. 6-way blade. You can see it's running good. Does have a hydraulic leak that we'll know at the time of auction if it's running with it or if it's repaired. Just kind of look for the description. It'll say there whether it's they figured out they had an estimate on getting the leak, got dropped the pan and either change a line or a hose underneath there. It's up in the front on the blade. You said, Ken? It's on the blade, powering the blade, so it doesn't affect it moving or anything. Go ahead, Ken, give us a little demonstration if you would. I'll get some good pictures for this for the tracks as well. Got a pile of blocks behind it. Everything works on it, just it does have a leaky line. Starts with a T. There you go. Thanks, folks. Check it out, narhiauctions.com.